Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today, where we dive deep into innovation and technology that's shaping our everyday lives. I'm your host, and today we're exploring a fascinating new tool called ClaudeDesktopCommander, part of the Claude desktop app ecosystem. Now, if you're someone who relies on terminal commands, this episode is definitely for you. Let's start with the basics. So what is ClaudeDesktopCommander? Basically, it's a powerful server that allows you to execute long-running terminal commands right from your desktop. You can manage processes seamlessly through a system known as the Model Context Protocol, or MCP for short. This might sound a little techy, but don't worry, we'll break it all down. Imagine you're working on a project that requires you to run a command that takes a long time to finish. Maybe it's compiling code or processing a large data set. Traditionally, you just kick off that command and sit there, staring at the screen, right? Well, ClaudeDesktopCommander allows you to execute that command while you continue working on other tasks. It streams the command's output back to you so you can stay productive. Now think about how annoying it can be to manually manage processes. You know, when something goes wrong and you have to figure out how to stop a process or find out what's currently running in the background. This tool helps you handle that effortlessly. You can list your active command sessions, see system processes, or even kill a runaway process, all from the comfort of your desktop. But here's where it gets even cooler. ClaudeDesktopCommander isn't just about running commands. It also offers full file system operations. You can read or write files, create directories, and even do code editing using surgical text replacement methods. So, if you just need to tweak a small part of your code, you can do it without rewriting the entire file. Let's talk installation for a second. It's pretty straightforward. If you have the Claude desktop app installed, you can set up ClaudeDesktopCommander in a few simple steps. You can run a command in your terminal, or even modify a configuration file manually if you're feeling adventurous. So, how do you actually use this tool once it's installed? You've got several categories at your disposal: terminal tools, file system tools, and edit tools. It gives you commands to manage everything from executing a command with a timeout to searching for files using specific patterns. Now, one thing that really stands out is how this tool plans to evolve. Developers are already working on improved code searching, enhancements for various environments like Windows and Linux, and even the possibility of using it over SSH for remote command execution. So it's clear that this is just the beginning for ClaudeDesktopCommander. Before we wrap up, I'd love to know how many of you have faced challenges while managing long-running terminal commands, or maybe you've had to deal with editing large files. It's an area where ClaudeDesktopCommander can really shine by making our workflows much more efficient. As we draw this episode to a close, remember that tools like ClaudeDesktopCommander don't just simplify our tasks. They can genuinely transform how we interact with technology every day. If you're interested, I encourage you to check out tutorials or even join the community on Discord to share your experiences and get support. That's it for today's episode of Tech Talk Today. We hope you found it insightful. Join us next time as we explore more tools and tech innovations that can make your life easier and more connected. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, technology is here to serve us.